Hey guys, it's Asia and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 hair hacks that have been a game changer for my kinky hair. The first hack really cuts down detangling time. What you'll need is a glass bowl and your favorite conditioner. I'm using the Gabrielle Union Flawless Conditioner. You want to transfer your conditioner into the glass bowl and then microwave it. Make sure you do not overheat this. I only microwave it for about 8 seconds. And then I remove it from the microwave and apply it directly to my hair. This is going to provide immediate moisture and slip and just open up your hair shaft so that the moisture can really penetrate each strand. Since incorporating this, it literally cut down my detangling time in half. I'm able to make sure that my hair is nice and ready for shampooing so I'm not overly drying it out, and also I'm not receiving any breakage in my hair, just removing the shed hairs gently. My hair here is literally 8 days old, so it's very fragile, but as you can see, this provides really gentle detangling. Hack number 2 is to add a shower mirror into your bathroom. This was definitely a game changer for me. It allows you to really see where you're applying the products into your hair. I love it for when I'm rinsing out my shampoos and my conditioners and applying all of my leave-in products. I can just make sure that every single strand is coated. So if you're doing this thing without a shower mirror, go get one so it could be so much easier for you on wash day. Hack number 3 is for product application. So I love to apply my cream leave-ins in the shower and just run my hair under the water, just a little love tap, and smooth the water and the product throughout my hair. This helps for my hair to just easily disperse the product throughout. I can use a little bit less product, and I can also make sure that my hair is thoroughly hydrated, mixing the water with the conditioner as I apply it in. My coils pop a lot more too, so it's a win-win. This next hack is a game changer, especially when it comes to stretching your hair. So what I love to do is smooth my hair down using this clamping motion, pulling it tightly, just really making sure to smooth all the way to the end. And then I'll roll my hair in a French roll like so, making sure to twist all the way down to the end of my hair. And then I'll roll it around in a circle and create a little bun and clamp the end down tightly. This is really great for just making sure that my hair remains stretched until I get to that section so my hair doesn't tangle on itself. It'll keep your hair fully stretched out, and it makes smoothing your hair in your next hairstyle so much easier. So instead of you rinsing your hair with cold water at the end of your wash day, I recommend taking a cream leave-in or a spray leave-in. I'll be using the Flawless by Gabrielle Union Hydrating Curl Refresher Spray, and I'm going to put that in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and take it out right after I'm done washing and deep conditioning my hair. Applying a cold leave-in after washing your hair is just going to help your cuticles to close and seal, and you'll also still get the moisture from the leave-in or the leave-in spray. So it's a win-win all the way around, and you don't have to put your head underneath cold water. The final hack involves bobby pins. So I'm using bobby pins to stretch my hair. This is really great when you need elongation. If you have shrinkage, every natural girl knows shrinkage comes with the territory. So taking bobby pins and stretching your hair while it's wet is a big game changer. As you can see on the right side of the screen, I just pull my twists tight and I bobby pin them around my head, making sure to stretch all the way to the end length of my hair. This will give you the maximum stretch without the use of heat. Another tip you can do with your bobby pins to add shape and length is to just take a section of hair that you want to be a little bit longer and just pull it tightly downwards and then bobby pin the root of your hair. What this is going to do is it's going to hold that little stretch at the root, so that way you can just have a little bit more length. Drop your most impressive hair hack in the comment box below, share the love, and we will catch you guys in the next video.